Welcome to Africa Health Online. This is just a quick demo to show how doctors navigate the system. So after registering on the system, you can log in, and this is the doctors panel. We have a link to see your appointments. The second link is Start Consulting, my profile, my patients, and then my appointment settings. So once you click on my appointments, you see the list of appointments that have been booked, the appointment dates and times. You will have to confirm the appointment by clicking on the link. Click to confirm. It gives the details of the appointment, and then you can accept and confirm the appointment. Once you accept and confirm the appointment, a message is sent to the patient on their WhatsApp phones to inform them that the appointment has been confirmed. And once that is done, a consultation, a clerking sheet or a clerking page is also generated on the system so that you can use it to clerk the patient on the day of the appointment. So we are going to go to the menu, and then we can click on Start Consulting. Here you see the list of patients and the dates of appointments. These are just dummy patients I've used on the system anyway. So I'm going to click on the first one, which says click to consult. And this is our normal clerking sheet. So you can enter your history here. Once you are done with the history, you can look at the vital signs or enter the vital signs. What we do is we allow the patients to enter their vital signs before coming on the video link for the consultation. So you see the vital signs here once the patient has entered them. Normally they can go to any pharmacy or any place where they can check their temperature, pulse, BP, and other parameters that are necessary. Whilst you are seeing the patient, you can request lab tests. So once you click on Add Labs, you see the pop-up. You can select the lab test you want, like FBC. You can add a few notes and then you submit. So once you submit, it shows at the bottom here. Let me add another lab like malaria. I'm using my phone for this test, so that's why you're seeing this. So I can do maybe the malaria BF, then I submit, and then it shows at the bottom. If I made a mistake, I could delete it. So it's just left with one lab. Okay. Similarly, you can write your prescriptions by adding a prescription, and that will also populate. I think my network is a bit slow. Okay, so we can choose paracetamol in this case. You can add some notes here and then you submit. It's a similar thing. And then you have the opportunity to also request for some radiological investigations, similar process. And then you can write your provisional diagnosis here and then select a real diagnosis from our system and save. So this is just a simple way to go about it. We also help you to have your link to your Zoom or any other video conferencing platform. So once you click on my online meeting room, it takes you straight to your linked account for Zoom or Google Classroom or whichever one you prefer to use. So that's how a doctor navigates the system with the clerking. And with the labs and the scans and the prescriptions, once you save it, a message is sent to the patient's phone and also to their email with the prescriptions that you have sent. So that's how it is. So the lab requests are sent, the prescriptions are sent, the scan and the radiological tests are also sent. Also, you can select a particular lab or scan center where you want the patient to go and have the labs done. So that is sent straight to the center as well. From the menu here, we've done the consulting. You can edit your profile. You can see your patients, the list of patients. Normally, what we have done here is that the patients are the ones who choose their doctors. So if a patient selects you as a doctor, then you have access to their folder and their medical history. Other than that, you cannot have access to their history or anything on the system. And then the last link is to check your appointment settings. So you can edit your appointment settings. As you can see here, I have put my appointment settings. For Mondays, I'm free from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. On Tuesdays, it's 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. and so on and so forth. And my appointment duration is 15 minutes for each appointment. And here's where I paste my permanent link for my Zoom meetings, or whichever platform you are using. You create a link from that platform and then you paste it here.